So, alam po natin yung sales forecasting ay isang process ng pag-predict ng future sales based on historical data, market trends, at iba pang relevant factors. Isa din siyang essential aspect ng business planning para po matulungan yung companies na makagawa ng informed decision regarding sa production, inventory, staffing, and budgeting. Nalabas yung qualitative methods and quantitative methods. Regardless po sa paggamit ng method na to, yung sales forecasting pa rin po is ongoing process pa rin po siya na nagre-require ng continuous monitoring at pag-adjust po sa new data para po ma-avail at yung market conditions change. Essentials din po ito sa mga businesses para ma-regular review po nila at ma-refine yung forecasting models para ma-improve yung accuracy at ma-adapt sa evolving market dynamics. Budgeting, from the word itself, budget, isa po siyang process of creating a detailed plan na ina-outline yung organization's financial goals, yung objectives para po dun sa specific period or typically yung financial issues nila within this year. And naka-involve din po dito yung pag-estimate ng income, expenses, pag-allocate ng resources at pagsiset po ng financial targets sa guide or para sa guide ng decision making at para po ma-ensure yung financial stability. All, yung budgeting isa po siyang critical tool para po sa financial management para po mapayagan yung organizations na magkaroon ng plano, ma-execute at ma-monitor yung activities nila in structured at disciplined manner. Purpose po ng budgeting is para po ma-provide yung structured framework para sa planning, managing at ma-optimize po yung financial resources to support the organization's mission, goals, and long-term sustainability. Next naman po is yung market analysis. Isa po siyang process of evaluating various factors na ini-impluwensyahan po yung performance, behavior, at yung dynamic ng specific market. Naka-involve din po dito yung pag-gather at pag-interpret po ng data para magkaroon po ng insight sa market trends, customer preferences, competitor at activities at iba pang factors na nakaapekto sa demand ng sarili mong product or services within the market. Yung market analysis po is essential po siya sa businesses para magkaroon ng informed decision regarding po dun sa product development, yung pricing strategies, marketing campaigns, distribution channels, at iba pang business strategy. Sa marketing naman po, yung segmentation is nagre-refer po siya sa process of dividing a larger market into distinct groups or hinahati po dito yung mga shared characteristics, yung preferences, yung behaviors, or iba pang needs. Yung goal po ng segmentation is para po maintindihan pa po at yung target specific customer groups po na mayroong customized marketing strategies, products, and services na nag-a-address sa sarili nilang uniqueness, it's either requirements or preferences nila. Segmenting the market, yung businesses po is pwede pa po siyang maging effective to allocate resources, personalize marketing efforts, at pag-enhance pa po ng customer satisfaction at yung loyalty nila sa company nyo or dun sa product and services.